come from one of the student. But before we go to this topic, we need to understand how this periodic table is. You need to understand this columns are representing groups, wherein you will be taking this one group 1, 2, here you will be keeping group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. As you know, this represents transition element. So, this transitional elements are around 10 in number. So, if you want, you can add it. So, it will become 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and this is 18. Now, suppose you have one element which is calcium. Its atomic number is 20. Now, what will be its electronic configuration? 2, 8, 8 and 2. So, you can understand here, if you are going to draw its orbital structure, first shell will have 2 electrons, second one will have 8 electrons. This is how we will draw orbital structure. It is just to explain you children how this orbital structure of any element is going to be there. The second one, this orbit will have further 8 electrons and the last shell which is there is having 2 electrons. Now understand here. So, how many orbits are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why I am counting this orbit? Because number of orbits in an atom is going to tell you which period it is going to be there in this periodic table. You are aware of this groups are 18 in number. Okay. Here in this vertical columns are representing groups and these horizontal lines are called periods. So, periods are going to be decided based on the number of orbits present in this. Here again I am counting first orbit, second, third and fourth. So, this element should be in first, second, third and this is the fourth one. So, this must be in this fourth horizontal row. Okay. Now, you need to focus on this number of electron present in last shell. How many are they? They are 2. So, number of electron present in last shell or valence shell electron is deciding the vertical column or group. So, that is going to be the second group. Why second group? Because it has 2 electron in last shell. So, it will be having second group. Now, you need to check where this is intersecting. It is intersecting in this position, which is group 2 or second vertical column and fourth horizontal row. So, your calcium will be found in this position. Your calcium is found here. So, this is how we are able to locate our element. Similarly, if you want, based on the electronic configuration or orbital structure, if it is given to you, you can find out location of the element in periodic table. Similarly, if any element is shown in the periodic table, for example, there is element X in this. So, what you need to decide? It is present in which vertical column and it is present in which row. So, here you need to check it is found in which row. So, you can count from here also because it is going to show same horizontal line. So, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and this is 7th. So, here this X element which is there is present in which row? It is present in second row. Okay. With the help of this, what you will decide, how many orbits are there. So, it will have how many orbits? Since it is in second period or second horizontal row, so it will have 2 periods. So this is how you will do 2 shells. Now it is present in which vertical column? Here you can see it is 15th vertical column, but as you know, we started with first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Then why are we writing 15? Again I am reminding you, 10 transitional elements are there, that is why we added 10. Otherwise you will take it as fifth. So if it is 5 over here, that represents number of electron present in last shell. So last shell is this one. So it will have how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What about this first one? You are aware of, it will have maximum 2 electrons only. You cannot write 1 in first and 6 electron in outermost shell. Why? Because according to Bohr and Bury rule, first of all this first shell will be filled, then this second one. So this is how you will be able to identify this element. So with this you can identify its atomic number. How many electrons are there in total? It is 2 plus 5. So which element is there with atomic number 5? So you know that first is hydrogen, second is helium, lithium, beryllium and fifth is boron. Okay. So this is how you can find out the element as well. Okay. We can ask different kinds of doubt. I will be helping you this way. Okay.